Welcome. In front of me I have Fossil Gen 6 FTW 4066 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this watch. The thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, press the middle button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called the system. And once you find it, tap on it to enter system menu. And here you should see the date and time option. Once you see it, tap on it. And if you want to change the date and time manually, you will need to disable the automatic date and time. Once you disable it, you can scroll down and we have the set date and set time. First, let's tap on set date. And here we can change the date by swiping up and down on the month, then swiping left, changing the day, and then year, like this. And then we can swipe left, tap on the arrow to confirm. As you can see, the date changed. Now let's change the time. So tap on set time, swipe up and down on hours, then minutes, then arrow to confirm, and the time changed. You can also change the time zone. So if you want to change the time zone, disable the automatic one, tap on the set time zone, select the time zone you like. And you can also enable and disable the 24-hour format. And once you're done, you can press the crown button or the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.